Hey writers, today we are going to be talking about dialogue again. Remember, dialogue is the exact words that a character says in a story. Okay, and today we're just going to be talking about punctuating dialogue with the tag at the end. So the tag is the like said mom part or the I exclaimed or I asked, any of those. That is going to be at the end of your sentence. So let's look at this first one together. And I want you to notice where the quotation marks are. So remember, those are those two little marks here, and then your comma and your periods, okay? So the first one says, I baked some cookies, said mom. So our quotation marks are right after our comma and right at the very beginning. And then our period goes at the end, okay? Let's look at the next one. I love when you bake cookies. So our exclamation point is inside of the commas. I exclaimed. Okay. And then the next one, can I have two cookies? I asked. So our quotation marks are around what I am asking, and I am asking for two cookies. And then our period is at the end. Today, I want you to um, take the quiz at the end. And then I want you to go back in your writing and fix your punctuation if you did not do it correctly and see if you can add some more dialogue in your seed story. Okay? Have a good day.